everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10C and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So basically, first of all, I'll show you how to customize this mode, and after that much faster access to this feature. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the display. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see here we've got the option Ready mode, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this model. So let's enter, and before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, here we've got the switcher which is responsible for changing the temperature of this option. So by going to the left we can make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer. So it's I would say almost orangish. Here we've got the schedule option. After tapping on the switcher, you can decide if you want to pick the good night read, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, or you can custom the period, so simply manually pick the turn on and off time. So let me pick something like that, and here maybe something like that. Tap on OK, and as you can see the screen immediately changes to this yellowish tones, of course because we are between the start and end time. But let me turn it off, and basically this is the whole customization of this feature in this device. So I just told you that I will show you much faster access to it. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. What's more, it's quite important, you have to unroll it from the right side, because if you will do it from the left side, you will simply open the notifications. So remember, from the right side, open it fully, and as you can see here we've got the Ready mode icon, which is currently turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see the screen will immediately go back to its normal state. Of course you can tap on it again to turn it on. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.